Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathTube. We are going to solve two new word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. Previously, to buy 4 meters of cable, one had to pay $56. So, 1 meter of cable costed $56 divided by 4. Now the price per meter of cable has decreased by $2. With $60, how many meters of cable can one buy now? Previously, 1 meter of cable costed this $56 divided by 4 or $14. Since the price per meter of cable has decreased by $2, we have to subtract $2 from this $14. So the current price of 1 meter of cable is previous $14 minus $2, which gives us $12. With $60, how many meters of cable can one buy now? The cable that can be bought now for $60 is $60 divided by the price of 1 meter of cable, which is $12. So 60 divided by 12, which gives us 5 meters. So the amount of cable one can buy now with $60 is 5 meters. So this is the answer for problem number 1. Let us move to the next problem, which is problem number 2. Emma covers a distance of 90 km in 6 hours. From here, we can get the speed of Emma by dividing this distance 90 km divided by 6. Mia covers 8 km in 8 hours. From here, we can get the speed of Mia by dividing 80 by 8. Again, Nick covers 84 km in 7 hours. From here, we can get the speed of Nick by dividing 84 by 7. So they participated in a 60 km race. What is the time difference between the first and last person? We know that distance equals speed times time, and the unit is kilometer, and speed equals distance divided by time, and the unit is kilometer per hour, and time equals distance divided by speed, and the unit is hour. We get Emma's speed as the distance traveled by Emma divided by time taken, which is 90 divided by 6 equals 15 km per hour. So Emma's time in 60 km race will be 60 divided by speed of Emma, which is 60 divided by 15, which gives us 4 hours. Similarly, Mia's speed will be Mia's distance divided by time taken, which is 7 hours, which gives us 12 km per hour. And the Mia's time in that 60 km race will be 60 divided by Mia's speed, which is 12 km per hour, which gives us 5 hours. Similarly, Nick's speed equals the distance traveled by Nick divided by the time taken, which gives us 80 divided by 8 equals 10 km per hour. And Nick's time in 60 km race will be 60 divided by Nick's speed, which is 10 km per hour, which gives us 6 hours. First person is Emma, who takes the shortest time of 4 hours, because Emma took 4 hours to cover 60 km distance, which is the fastest time, and the longest time taken by Nick, which is 6 hours. Last person is Nick, who takes the longest time of 6 hours. So the time difference between 6 and 4 is 2 hours, which is the difference we need to calculate in this problem. This is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in coming videos. Thank you.